I had to sweep up the floor, and of course I'm left with a big pile of dust and debris on the bottom. And out here in the middle of nowhere, it's hard to get that cleaned up. But that brings us to this week's cool tool. I've got this Milwaukee Fuel M12 powered vacuum, or it's like a shop vac. So this will be the first time I've used it. We'll see if it works. Just got to open up the top here. You fit your M12 battery right here. Got your hose. Got some attachments. I don't think I'm going to use this for this job. Just bring that, close it back up, and then you've got your 2 speeds. It's off in the middle. Got 1. And high. Pretty simple. So let's see if it picks up this pile of debris. Alright, that worked great. That was on the low setting. This is the high setting. Man, I tell you what, it's nice having a shop vac at the off-grid cabin. This new Milwaukee M12 shop vac, this thing's awesome. So if you're in the market for a cordless, portable shop vac, you might want to give this Milwaukee a look. It has tons of power. It has these 3 hose attachments that are conveniently stored inside the vacuum compartment itself. The bottom snaps right off, so it's easy to empty and gives you good access to the filter. And then when the job's done, it all closes up inside and you can just take it to the next job. This has been great for me at my off-grid cabin, and I would highly recommend it.